vlogging in the name of nostalgia. Look at me, I'm an influencer. Morning guys, it's 7 o'clock. I pretty much just woke up. I got my eye patches. I thought I would just like vlog my day today. I just like see what happens. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna end up on my main channel, my vlog channel. We'll see. I mean, my vlog channel is kind of dead because I haven't really posted anything for like, I think it's been maybe a year now. Maybe almost a year. Yesterday I was like watching some of my old vlogs and just reminiscing. Nostalgia. Okay, nostalgia just hit me hard. And I was like, oh my god, I need to vlog more because I love watching my old vlogs and just like remembering things from before. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna vlog more. That's my plan. I'm gonna be a real YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? I'm making coffee. I'm gonna stop using the excuse that like, oh my god, my life is boring. I don't do anything. Why not make fun things happen for myself? Too early in the morning for that loud voice. Gotta get a lot of things done today. Coffee first though. So I'm just gonna jot some stuff down on my to-do list today. I use Todoist, that's my app. It's a giant mess. I can never have like a beautiful to-do list that I always fully check off. I just like write random stuff that's like on my mind and then I like somehow at some point deal with it later. Some of the stuff is like way overdue and I haven't looked at it for a while, but that's just gonna be my life. Today I also want, you know what? I wanna start meditating again. I fell off the wagon. So much to do. Cheers. So it's 7 o'clock now. What was I gonna say? Yesterday, I like was sitting on this couch right there and I was just like watching my vlogs from a couple years ago. So I watched one vlog of me like being a tourist in London for a day because my flight got delayed by 24 hours and I was like, I'm just gonna go back to London and then run around. And just like running around all the touristy attractions, I was like, oh my god, the nostalgia! Like just seeing so many people walking around, I was like, oh my god, I haven't seen a crowd in 2 years. And then I got into this like rabbit hole of watching some of my old vlogs. I watched one from when I was in Malta, another one just like in quarantine, like in the beginning of the pandemic, kind of in the beginning of the pandemic. So anyway, so moral of the story is I need to vlog more. Obviously you need to find a balance between vlogging and just like always whipping out the camera and living in the moment. But at the same time, you know, I value like old photos and old videos and just nostalgia, like looking back. I don't know, like I love doing that. I don't know if you guys like doing that. Maybe that's why I always watch, like I always rewatch movies. I rewatch TV shows that I like. If I have a show that I like, I've probably watched it 3 times. You know what I'm saying? Okay. If I have a movie that I really like, I've probably watched it more than once for sure. So, nostalgia. I'm vlogging in the name of nostalgia. And also I share it with you guys as well. So, goddamn, this is my life right now. Living alone. Working for myself. Okay. I'm gonna go to work now. Welcome to my office. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad. Let me just use one of my lights. Not me, just breaking my camera. Oh my gosh. Welcome to my office. This is also known as the disaster room. Also known as my studio, which is not complete. Woo! Hi there. I have a package. I don't even know what it is. I'm so bad with opening packages. I don't know what it is. I get a new package and I let it sit there for like days before I open it, which is bad. Like, why do I do that? And I realized also that why is it huge? I used to be so like productive. I used to be one of those girls, you know, like wake up at 5 a.m. So productive. To be fair, I'm not horrible. I'm still good, but like I've definitely lost a little bit of that. Oh, it's like a PR package, I think. Guys, look at me. I'm an influencer. I get PR packages. I really don't get that many packages. Oh my god, how do I don't know if I'm supposed to show you guys this. Yeah, I don't know if I'm supposed to show you guys. I probably am, but I don't know. Bye. grocery delivery. Let's see what I got. Giant thing of spring mix. Ooh, that's actually pretty big. This is from Walmart. I haven't gone shopping in Walmart for a long time, but it was on Instacart. So I got 2 bags of this pre-chopped broccoli and cauliflower. I thought I just got 1 bag, but I guess I got 2. I wanted to try this Timbits chocolate glazed cereal. This is vegan, okay? Not the healthiest, but it's vegan. I don't really eat a lot of cereal, like especially the sugary kind, but sometimes like it's nice. I got 2 of these vegan mayos from Hellmann's. This one's my favorite. I got 2 Bubly drops for my soda stream. Banana peppers, yay. Ooh, I found Just Egg. Very exciting. So Walmart carries Just Egg as well. It's kind of a small bottle. Can't remember how much this was. I think it was around $5. It was cheaper than I thought, but also not super cheap. But like, I mean, how many servings? How many servings does this make? Not sure. Either way, I was very excited. I can't wait to try this. I got some Violife vegan cheese. I always buy stuff like this and then I don't really use a lot of it day to day, so it kind of sits in the freezer for a bit, but that's okay. Ooh, I was excited about this one. Okay. Protein Up red pepper hummus flavor flatbread. Pretty big. It says flatbread, but you can make like wraps out of it and stuff. Yay, exciting. I got some clementines, and that's it. Yay! Look at my haul. This is the type of stuff that makes me happy. So I just filmed a TikTok for that grocery haul as well. I feel like I'm always like, okay, now I need to film a TikTok, blah, blah, blah. Here's the thing. Let me just tell you. I keep forgetting how much YouTube is better, okay? The thing is, here's the thing. I feel like it's important to diversify when we create content online, but at the same time, we need to have like one main focus. It's very easy to get distracted because there's so many different platforms, but then I think it's like hard to really do well on one platform if we are way too spread out. So I'm like, oh my God, how do you find a balance? Life is all about balance. It's very difficult to find a balance. Anyways, I still love YouTube more than any other platform. In my opinion, YouTube is the best platform, okay? Maybe I'm a bit biased because obviously YouTube is my main platform, but it's just better, okay? For example, yesterday, like I said, I was like looking at my previous vlogs from like years ago, and it's just easier to navigate and like make playlists and look at older videos. YouTube is a lot more evergreen in terms of, you know, the content lasts for a long time. You can still watch videos from like 8 years ago. You can still find videos from like 8-10 years ago. Whereas Instagram and TikTok are very much like viral content. It's very like timely, following trends, which I'm never good at anyways. Whereas YouTube is very like, it's almost like a video diary. It's actually like a video diary where you can go back into your previous entries. So I think that's what I really like about YouTube is you can look at videos from years ago, and some of my videos from a long time ago still get like lots of views because it's not, you know, following a trend necessarily. Anyways, so that is why YouTube is better. I mean, they all serve different purposes, I'm sure. And yes, I spent a lot of time on TikTok, but I feel like the time I spent on YouTube is more valuable. Yes. Anyways, my camera has like this face filter, so don't be fooled if my skin looks like really good, like makes your skin look clearer. Anyway, I mean, I like it, but like, don't be fooled. I mean, my skin ain't bad right now, but it's not as good as the camera makes it out to be. Anyways, I'm gonna put away my groceries now. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, where's the room? I got no room. Okay, I need to make rice. Oh my God. I didn't even show you my breakfast. Did I show you my breakfast? I didn't show you my breakfast. I think I have a picture of it though. Picture. I had this like oatmeal thing, like an instant oatmeal with some like frozen fruit, not frozen fruit, with some like canned fruit, and there's some walnuts and some chia seeds. That's what I had. I'm already hungry though, but I'm not gonna eat until lunch, which is in a couple hours. But I'm gonna make rice. Time to make rice. Okay, now I am going to air fry some potatoes. I got these 2 potatoes just sitting in my fridge. I feel like I need to use them. And I'm also gonna bake some sweet potato. So I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat. Yeah. Actually, maybe I'll just like stick everything in the oven. I'm a bit scared of using the air fryer and the oven at the same time. Maybe I won't. Okay. I'll air fry these later. All right. So I'm just gonna cut these up and I'll just throw them in some water and then I'll air fry them later. So I'm gonna keep this in water. Just let it soak in water so they don't oxidize until I'm ready to throw them in the air fryer, because right now I have the oven going. Oven's right next to the air fryer and I'm just scared it's gonna, I don't know, like have a electricity moment. I just fixed my oven. I just don't want to risk it. I'm back in my office, gonna get some more work done, and yeah. I actually did a lot of work this morning. I edited a video, which I need to export, but I gotta do some other things as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just finished making some thumbnails for our podcast. If you haven't listened to our podcast, go listen. I'll have some info down below. I got some braised chickpeas that were in the freezer. I'm gonna heat some up so I can eat some. Woo! Great. I'll heat these up. What the hell? Microwave's making weird noises. Anyways, okay, I have here some veggies. What's happening? My microwave felt like it was acting up, but I think it's okay, hopefully. Anyways, heated up the braised chickpeas, and I have these veggies that are basically Korean veggies, great for bibimbap. My mom made this for Korean New Year, and she gave me some leftovers, so I'm gonna make some bibimbap with this and this. Yay! Here's my lunch. I have here my bibimbap with the braised chickpeas. I put some gochujang, a little bit of sesame oil. Oh my god. Basically, all I'm gonna do is just mix everything well, but I just wanted to show you guys before I mix it. And then I have a little side of some of the goodies left over from Korean New Year. This is basically just like a mixture of what Koreans call jeon. So it's like different types of jeon, which is basically like fritters, I guess. So it's like battered and then like pan fried goodness. These are sweet potato jeon. I do have a recipe for this actually somewhere on my channel. I'll link that below. This one is like mushroom stuffed with some kind of tofu thing. My mom made all of this, so I don't actually know. This one is like a little skewer. This is like smoked tofu, some green onions, some mushroom. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Time for lunch. I'm so hungry. Seaweed. Oh my god. Can also just add it in. So good. I guess I'll try these blackberry bubbly drops. Please tell me it's good. I really don't like the grapefruit one. Even the grapefruit is my favorite bubbly flavor. It just doesn't translate. All right, let's try it. Cheers. That's pretty good. Okay, blackberry is approved. What is it about carbonated beverages? Friends, I look like a different person. I am actually going to the cafe this evening, but after that I have dinner plans, so that's why I have makeup on. Normally I don't even bother with makeup, but I am a little stressed, I'm not gonna lie. Just went through a few things that were not fun. But anyway, I'll get over it. I have to go to the cafe and work there this evening. But before that, I do want to get in a little bit of exercise. But the thing is, I just dyed my hair and I don't want to sweat because the red bleeds like a motherfucker when I sweat. So I don't want to sweat. Therefore, what was I gonna say? I don't want to sweat, so I'm not gonna do anything like crazy. I'm just gonna go for a walk before I go to the cafe. Just a nice walk, like a long walk outside. It's not super cold today, so I just wish it was like not gloomy. Today's a bit gloomy. I'm just like not enjoying today. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go for a walk, go work, and then I have dinner. So yeah, just gonna clear my head. One good thing, I finished making my air fryer potatoes and also finished up roasting the sweet potatoes, which I forgot to show you. And now I'm too lazy to show you. They're in the fridge. Why is this not focusing? Gumbo? Gumbo? There you go. I'm gonna eat a couple of these before I go. All right. Yes, I realized I want to vlog more. Okay, so we're having a vegan sushi experience. Say hi, Daniel.
So excited.
Yay.
So excited.
Say hi, Angela. First dish. Okay, let's try it. Tempura parsnip roll. Okay. Let me try it. Hold on. Truffle anything.
Yeah, truffle is just